So, hi Chickenators. That's what I'm going to call you guys. Hi guys, and today we're going to be making some slime. It's going to be like this slime. Just normal, regular slime. Maybe with some beads in it if you're lucky. So, we've got to get the glue first. I'm using Elmer's school glue. It's kind of backwards for you guys, but I'm using Elmer's school glue. I'm just pouring a little bit in because we don't want to make the biggest batch ever. Yeah, we're not going to make a big batch. We're just going to make a little batch. That's pretty much what I do. And I'm going to take some... Oh, sorry, guys. I just did that. I'm sorry. But... I opened it upside down because I was distracted. Thank you. And I don't have proper software at all. So I'm just going to be using... this. Okay, we need to get a spoon. At least a stick. Sorry, that was my fault. Again. Yeah, you're welcome. My fault, sorry. We need to get all this nice stuff out of here. And I don't think I'm going to have any more paint after this, to be honest. Orange paint. So, we're just mixing it up. Mix. Orange. I'm making some orange slime. So, I got the borax and the water. I totally eyed this one. And we're going to pour some in. Just a tad bit. There we go. Just a little bit. Because we don't want to get it overly exaggerated, like really not sticky. Because we want it a little bit sticky so it can hold those beads. So we're going to mix it with this one. It doesn't look that satisfying, but it's really satisfying. Oh, it's coming together. Look at that. I love making slime. Comment down below if you know how to make cloud slime. Cloud slime, because I have no clue. And remember, give a like if you see this. Give a like and subscribe if you see this cap right here. And yeah, yay! It's kind of working. Why did I do this? This is my career now. So I'm gonna go wash my hands a little bit, so I'll be right back. Remember to subscribe. I'm a geeky, by the way. Why? I'm back. And we're gonna put a little bit of this in. A little bit of this in. Yeah, that's maybe a little too much. But that's exactly what I do. I do a lot too much. And then my orange slime totally fails. But this one didn't, which is very surprising to me. Ooh, we're going to clean this up with this. Oh my god, why did I do that? Yay! Now I got... Why? But the vote was saying... Oh! Everybody go subscribe to my friend AC Rabbits over there. And remember to become one of the least strong, well, I'm going to say strongest, families on YouTube. Remember to become a Chickenator. You will become a true chicken if you subscribe right now. Right now. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Have you done it yet? Well, if you have, then you're a true chicken. And I know chickens don't make slime, but this chicken does. So remember to be unique and, ooh, I got something. I'm not going to do any giveaways. I'm sorry. I'm not that rich yet. Yet, you can make me rich if you want by telling all your friends about this and sharing this video. Please, please share the video. Please, 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 please. No, I'm not like that. Ready, 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 ready. It's gonna go on the counter. Ready, 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 ready. So, where I live, it's very cold out right now. So we're not gonna go outside. Why would we go outside in this video making slime? No. Just why? I'm gonna put some glitter in this slime. Glitter! I got a glitter library from Handmade Modern. No copyright on that. I don't know. I don't know if there's copyright or not. Come on, let's clean that up. Oh, yes, this is so nice. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this slime and mix this slime. Yay! Now it's an even bigger slime. That's pretty much what I do. And now it's hardly sticky. Wink, wink, winkety, wink, wink, wink. And this is my slime. This is my slime now. I put some foam beads in the other one, so it has some foam beads in here. But yeah, this is my slime now. If you want me to make any different kind of slime, let me know and I will do it. Give a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe and become a chicken. Yay! Because everyone wants to become a chicken. Sorry, I'm talking way too much. But bye! Woo!